In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Perplexity Spaces for custom instructions. This is a certified hack that can enhance your experience with creating organized tables from AI-driven responses. If you're looking to make data handling more intuitive and visually appealing, then follow along as we dive into the process step by step. First, let's get started by opening your browser and heading over to Google. In the search bar, simply type the word Perplexity. This will lead you to the main Perplexity AI website, where you can start with dissecting its powerful custom formatting capabilities. Once you're on the results page, click on the official Perplexity website link. The site has a crisp interface and is loaded with fascinating features to explore. Now that you're on the Perplexity website, find and click on the Spaces section. This will take you to a critical area where you can harness the power of customization. Once there, navigate to the Create New Space button and click on it to start crafting your unique space for creating structured responses. Think of this space as your blueprint for a streamlined, organized AI. In this new section, you'll need to give your space a distinctive name. Let's go with Tablesmith, a perfect name reflecting its purpose. Next, you'll want to provide a description. Think of this as your mission statement, a short note that informs others what this AI space is designed to achieve. For instance, a custom AI that consistently organizes its responses into clean, easy-to-read tables could be your focus. Whether it's listing popular items, comparing different entities, or summarizing broad trends, Tablesmith aims to transform all outputs into clear tables for better understanding. With your space set up, it's time to add some instructions. Click on Add Instructions, then carefully input your directives. For our Tablesmith project, instruct it to always format outputs as markdown tables, ensuring all responses consist solely of tables. No extra text allowed outside them. You may want to specify that all table columns and headers must be clear and aligned. If your data extends into multiple tables, just separate them with a blank line for ease of view. Keeping the tables concise and balanced will enhance readability. Once the instructions are in place, don't forget to hit the Save button to lock everything in. To test your new instructions, you can input a prompt asking the AI to show popular AI tools along with their best applications. For completeness, click Submit, then sit back and wait for your well-organized table-generated response. Finally, why not put your space through its paces with another test? Try a prompt like comparing various coffee types by flavor and caffeine content. Just click Submit again and let Perplexity work its magic. And that's it. You've successfully set up and tested your custom instructions with Perplexity Spaces, making data more accessible and easier to digest. Happy organizing, and I hope this enhances your AI experience.